Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI Fusion NDN channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to extract a prompt from any image. All you need is an image, and this tool will generate a detailed prompt describing that image. From there, you can use the prompt to create similar images using other image generation tools. The great thing is, everything you need is completely free and super easy to use. Today's video will be very simple, and I think many of you may already know this method. But if you don't, this will be a helpful guide to easily extract a prompt from any image. And if you're new here, let's get started right away. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Let's say you have many beautiful images and you want to extract prompts from them. Here's how. Tools like Midjourney, Ideogram, or Leonardo AI provide full descriptions when you click on an image. But if you come across a random image online and want to extract the prompt, here's what you need to do. Method 1. Using ChatGPT. The first step is to use ChatGPT and ask it to describe the image in detail as a prompt. Now, I'll provide you with a sample prompt that you can use right away. Let's say I have an image. I'll upload it to ChatGPT and ask it to describe it. You simply need to type the command. Based on the following image, describe a detailed prompt to create an image using AI image. Immediately, ChatGPT will return a detailed prompt. Then all you need to do is copy that prompt and paste it into image generation tools like Leonardo AI. For those who aren't familiar with Leonardo AI, I've included a link in the description for you to sign up for free. Now I'll try pasting this prompt into Leonardo AI and see the results. Select Image Creation, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. The process is very simple, and if you need more detailed instructions, you can check out other videos on the AI Fusion NDN channel. And here's the result. I've transformed the image into a prompt and recreated a very similar image. If you want even more detailed results, you can ask ChatGPT to describe each specific element. Method 2. Using the Describe feature of CArt. Next, I'll show you the second method, which is also very easy. This involves using the CArt tool, which is completely free and very convenient. The link to access CArt is in the description for you to easily use. When you access the tool, just sign up with a Gmail account and then go to the Create section. Select the Describe feature, upload your image, and wait a moment for the tool to generate a prompt. When the Generate button appears, click it and you'll get a prompt for the image. With CArt, the tool will provide two prompt options. You just need to choose one and create a similar image. So we've now gone over two simple ways to extract prompts from images. Today's video is quite simple, but I wanted to share it so that more of you can apply this method. I hope this video is useful to you. If you found it helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any videos from AI Fusion NDN. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.